Hello everyone. I am Siddhi Bhartere and today's my topic for discussion is guns. So guns, it is a weapon which is designed to use a shooting tube to launch a projectiles. So, in various battles today, we are using lots of guns, and generally, these guns are used in various purpose. That is for hitting someone, and but nowadays lots of guns are there, but they should be used legally. There and also there are lots of type of guns. Some of them use as a training, so some of them use as entertainment, some are used in a wars, for using a hunting purpose and for the entertainment, for example shoot for example a water gun, etc. Also for painting it, there is also a gun which is used, and we will discuss further what are the types of guns. So as I said, gun is a ranged weapon designed to use a shooting tube to launch a projectiles. The projectiles are typically a solid, but it can be also a pressurized liquid. For example, spray gun, cannons, water guns. These are used. These are used, that is pressure washing. Also, there are some pressure washings or even charge particles. In charge particle, we are triggering, that is alpha particle or beta particles, and which is using the atomic mass spectroscopy also, for charged particles. And going moving toward the types of guns, there is one called as military guns. So in the military guns there is one long guns. The long guns examples are arquebus, blunderbuss, musket. Further, the muskets have three types, that is musketon, ball gun, grenade, and launcher guns. Next is submachine gun, which is used for a personal defense, and there is a weapon rifle also. And next is a rifle. The rifle are of subtype, that is rifle, rifle, for using the bolt action. The bolt action rifle is used for the battle rifle, and battle rifle is there. Next, these are the long range guns, which are used to hit something which is at a longer distance. Next is shotgun. Shotguns, these are used for a short range. That shotguns are combat shotgun, semi-automatic shotgun, and automatic shotguns. Next, there are some handguns which are also used, that are Derringer and pistol. We know, most of all we know the pistol. So pistols is also of two types. First is machine pistol, and next is service pistol. Next, and also revolver. It is also a type of handguns. Next is for hunting purpose. For hunting purpose, there are lots of guns which are available, which are used as a hunting purpose. But nowadays, the hunting of animal is illegal. So today there is a ban on such guns, for manufacturing some gun. And if they are manufacturing such guns, so they are used legally by the government. For example, for anesthesia of for anesthetic purpose, to the animal, for curing them, and for this purpose they are using, but they are used in a legal manner. So next, in hunting there is a gallet gun, mini gun, air gun for elephant hunting. There is a elephant gun. Next, express rifle and Rimberg rifle, and also there is a spear gun. Next, there is a autocannon, which is all of three types, that is chain gun, autocannon, and cannon. Next, a tank gun. Next type is a tank gun, which that is, there is a tank which is used in wars, and in that continue shooting is done. So the example of this tank gun is tank gun. Next is rescue equipment guns. So there are another type, that is rescue equipment gun, so which are used in for rescuing purpose. So that are flare gun and Lyle gun. So in the various problems, we are for example, fire, if there is a fire, if there is a flood, so at that time such type of guns are used for a rescue purpose. So that are flare gun, and next is Lyle gun. Next is for the training purpose and for the entertainment purpose. There are lots of guns, including airsoft gun, cap gun, drill purpose rifle, and water gun. That is, there are lots of toys are available which are used for the entertainment purpose and to trigger the water. That are water gun, and also there are some gun which are used the surface tension phenomenon, so that the bubbles come out with the help of the guns in a bubble forms. So these are some entertaining guns. And next is in a training purpose. In training purpose, we are looking that there are lots of guns which are used during mountain climbing. So during the mountain climbing, we are hitting the we are triggering the gun which contain the rope, and to hold, there is a holder, so it is used for climbing the mountain and to cross the mountain from one end to the next end. So these are some training purpose gun. In this way, these are all type of guns which I have mentioned, which is used as a fun tool, that is entertainment, for the hunting purpose, for the battles also, and for the self defense also, and also for the protection purpose also. But whatever guns which are used which will harm the people, such guns are used legally. And and also putting the guns with ourselves is also another crime. For putting the guns, we need some legal formalities for taking the guns. Okay, here is the end of my video. Thank you.